Greetings, beloved beings of light. Happy new moon in Gemini today. I'm here at this very sacred portal. My sacred condor sent me on a mission today, which was very close to one of my most powerful portals on Gaia. So I wanted to get out to nature, get a breath of fresh air, take in this beautiful, exquisite, pristine energy of the new earth. Feel into this emerald green of the emerald order. And our dragon nations are coming through. I wanted to transmit a very special mind-to-mind transmission for all of you on this most sacred day of this new moon. It is Moon Day. Go figure. Moon Day, what are we, May 26th here. I just wanted to shoot a quick video for all of you on this most auspicious day of new beginnings, transformation. This is divine union codes, twin flame energies coming in. So I have a loud ringing in my right ear. This is the call of the dragon. The call of the dragon coming in. The call of the tiger. So I'm also going to record after this a very special teaching and transmission for our medicine women, our medicine men on Patreon, our leaders, our teachers, which I'll be calling on the Holy Spirit. So look for that link in the description below, or just go to whitegoldeagle.com, our tribe on Patreon. It will be a very special teaching and transmission where I call on the Holy Spirit. So we're going to call on the Holy Spirit here as we go into the stillness. This will be a mind-to-mind transmission of what we call Buddha mind. Buddha mind is awakened consciousness, or what we call pure awareness. So I transmit from my heart to your heart, my mind to your mind, the Buddha awareness. You can also call Christos Sophia consciousness. This is Satori, or Nirvana, the energy of the Great Spirit. So we call on the Great Spirit, and through this transmission, just for several minutes, do your best to turn off your internal dialogue, shut off the thought processes as you take in this pure energy. We call pure awareness, Buddha mind, Christos consciousness, or cosmic consciousness. So take a few minutes, feel into the energy of this most powerful portal. Get out to nature. Today we have beautiful codes coming in, most exquisite codes, crystalline codes of new creation coming from our Solaris. You could see the sun now coming out here, blazing us with the violet rays, the blue rays, the gold ray of transformation, of healing. So take some slow, deep breaths. We'll just take a few minutes here to get into the stillness, the silence within. For emptiness is form, and form is emptiness. We're bringing in this void energy. In Japanese we call mu, meaning not a thing. From the very first, not a thing is mu. So smile into your heart, gentle smile, open up the pericardium, open up the higher heart chakra, open up the middle chakra, middle dantian. This is the field of elixir. This is the portal of bliss, the portal of Kunlun. Divine feminine energy flowing in. This is emerging here through this Gemini energy of the twins. The twin flame, the twin fire. As the yin and the yang come together, duality becomes one in unity consciousness. So keep slowly breathing in and out your nose. Anchor deep into the crystalline core of Mother Earth. You can stand or sit for this transmission. As I step aside and let the Tao, let the Holy Spirit move through me as a conduit of the Great Spirit, of God, Creator, Source, Prime Creator. The still white magnetic light at the center of all things, which is pure awareness, or what you might call love. So I transmit this Buddha mind to you here now, through the stillness, through the silence, and let go into whatever arises, Whatever comes, let it go. It is temporal, impermanent. It is all impermanent. Only love is real and only love is eternal. And I transmit this love to you here now. Through my eyes, the doorway to my soul, and to your heart. Releasing, letting go of all that no longer serves you or the collective, no longer serves humanity. And feel into the Christ consciousness, the Buddha mind that is in your heart center. You could put your hands on your heart or in prayer posture, in front of middle dantian or heart chakra. Just let go into that feeling, let go into the bliss. Open yourself up, open up your heart, open up your mind. This is eternity. This is eternal bliss consciousness in this now. So let us journey into the void together, into the stillness, into the silence within the kingdom of heaven within you. Take slow, deep breaths. And let go, let go, let go. Go deeper and deeper, deeper within, into the silence, into the stillness. Let every sound you hear carry you to the silence, to the stillness within. Everything out here is also in here. The external mirror the internal, and the internal mirror the external. It is one and the same. Separation only exists within the simulation. So let go into this truth. There is nothing to attain. All beings are born perfectly awakened Buddhas. There is only one truth. Only one I am presence. And that one is within you. So allow the pure awareness to fill your heart, fill your mind, fill your body, fill your spirit with the codes and keys of creation, of Creator, as we consciously co-create our new heaven upon the new earth. Let go, let go, let go. Release, release, release. You are free now. This is the codes of freedom. You are empowered in the silence. You are empowered in the stillness. The divine feminine surrounds you, divine masculine merging, the eagle fly with the condor in this now. To free all of humanity, to free all sentient beings from all cycles of suffering, from all simulated realities of false projections of nefarious nature, as we call in our highest timeline and anchor it into this now through our sacred vessel. So continue throughout the day and every day to take moments to breathe deep, fill your body with the heavenly chi, the heavenly energy, the gold chi, and the violet ray, the violet flame, and all colors of the electromagnetic spectrum through your chakras, through your rainbow bridge. You are a conduit of the Spirit, the Great Spirit. So have a most beautiful, blessed new moon in Gemini. The eagle and the condor love you all. Aho. Namaste.